सरकार महिला काँग्रेसीचो आवाज चिड्डयता। महिला काँग्रेस जे प्रश्न उक्ताडार घेवन येता ताच्या आड आपणाचेर वैयक्तीक केशी घालून आपलो आवाज चिड्डोवपाचे काय NGO आनी पक्षाची चाल आसा म्हण आरोप काँग्रेस महिला अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुतिनोन केला। आरडेक्सवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The government of Goa, that is BJP, is trying to suppress the voice of Mahila Congress. The BJP government is suppressing our voices, trying to strangulate our voices because we have been time and again exposing them. Well friends, as you all are aware, criminal cases are filed on us. Criminal cases with sections. Some of the cases were non-bailable. I want to ask, am I engaged in any illegal activities? Am I engaged in any illegal business? कितें घोटाळा केल्लो आसा? Am I a hardcore criminal? Am I a hardcore criminal? Or have I looted the government treasuries for these 6 cases filed on me? This is a personal attack done on me to silence me, to suppress my voice, to suppress the voice of these Mahilas who have all the courage to be like pillars and to go on to give justice to the woman and the girl child in Goa. And this is a tight slap for all the, including the BJP Mahila President, Shiv Sena, Sanatan, Tara Kekar and other NGOs who woke up from their slumber. This letter I got, such a beautiful declaration given by the mother, the victim mother. I cannot disclose the name, but she is given a letter, declaration in the police station, affidavit signed by the notary. I will just read 2-3 points because I would not like to disclose the personal matter. She says that the undersigned is the mother of the victim girl who was molested at her shop by the JCB operator from Jharkhand native. She says on 9 July, Pratima Kutino and a Mahila Congress team was being called by us where we, the Deputy Sarpanch Abhijit Desai, decided to call her formally. Then she says the Mahila Congress team privately met and discussed the issue with the minor daughter and her family members privately in her bedroom. She says there was no media present on the day. She says some pictures and recordings were taken by some youth present on that day along with me, that the said pictures were taken with my consent and at my own request, as I saw it as an honor that the head of Mahila Congress team personally visited with her team at our residence and showed concern.